Watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, yo. Hey, franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know when time I come for represent, you don't know a full effect thing. You don't know it go already, you know. When my aim up, load up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch on, man. You don't know a Gaza favorite. You don't know the people's champion. You don't know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Hear me, man? Hey, yo, right about now, you know. My sister wanna really get things twisted, you know. And some people really up inside of themselves and them feelings, you know. But first and foremost, I want to know, say, you know, Vybz Kartel, no bad mind, no artist, you know, I want to know that, you know, personally, you know. And somehow, you know, when people, when I say I call in on the people, them call in program, no for you know nothing at all about dancehall, you know. You just a cheer for your artist, but that's fine. Because when time people question, you know, turn fool, be a stutter, you sound like a idiot. But I see how I deal with it, you know. But me make sure I know, you know. The king of dancehall, you know, it's not about only challenge artists, you know, upon lyrical buckle, you know. The king of dancehall, you know, you have to do work and wall up dancehall, you know. A decades or more Vybz Kartel I do that in my virgin. You see what I deal with? So, I don't want just the man them just a pre about clashing an artist and feel like say that the king of the king of dancehall title go and I saw it go, you know. Cause remember after Vybz Kartel and Mavado done clash, two of them go get big international hit song, you know. You see what I deal with? So, I want you to know say you can't bypass the work you're supposed to put in a dancehall and then they talk about clash and they talk about king of dancehall. But I want to show a thing or two, you know, because I know me as a man, you know. I like go way back like when I pop the seat in my Cadillac. You see what I deal with? God's a nation. I go way back. I go take it from 2011. You know what I mean? I just want to show you something. Because I'm a man, I'm not too in a no bag of talking and tracing thing with people, you know.
The best come from the worst. Today for you, tomorrow for me. I'm the teacher. Me never know me would a bus. From me and me used to take the bus from third world. Me never know me would a lock the first word. With new style and new flows. Like what Pac say, who knows? The Beamer, the Lexus, the new rose. Me a print from little picnic days. In a school clothes. When me shoes the tear out, you could see a few toes. Me house pack and leaking, the house stop. We sleeping with house rat. We bounce back when me daddy announced that we moving to Port. The sunshine, the seashore, it's still better, but we still a pre-more from long time. We start pour about the land and mix guns and we sell it. Drugs things to keep my corner hype up and sweet smelling. Cops currently yelling, don't move, we won't prove them lock me up, we get bail. Next day we set sail like big ship. Same stuff we mother said we name cross, but still remain tough. Cause better must come. Yo, John Steven, yo, me a little youth star. My father have a son, you see me I say, a little component set still on. As I usually watch out, me uncle them DJ upon it and thing on. You see me? Be a big man and them do their bun and them weed and them thing there. As a little youth, yo, I don't know, just wish we could have been like them. You see me? Me never know me would have boss. And talks I say, I did it at a seat that it feel good for buy a house for me matter. When me son have birthdays, anything you want him get. I know nothing when me and you tobacco shop me used to make. We used to have to beg a slave. I whistle a cigarette if me know. Hustle a road I could not go home yet. Me never pay for own car, me own home, me own jet. Dirty chat me mouth make me know see up me. Inna the suffer and the hunger. A police need blood, want kill me when me younger. In you me have a gun, we roll thunder. Circle me fi murder me, but God say I never feel me number. Me used to pray to Father God at night time. Make me parents them live fi see at it on somebody. Me love mommy, me love daddy. Same love me gain to Raheem and Jaheem and Shaheem. Me and my son's daddy. Yo, big man thing still. Buju Banton, first time I was through the hear that out there. Me check say that's a DJ thing, but we don't put on the artistic one time. Me not lie. And the next time too, y'all some boy I want to fall. They say I posted them, Joe Warrior King and them with the bus before me. The boy them so what they iron balloon, man. What listen, say me a dead man like man a fool. Me never know me would have boss. 2K2 was drive the ear. Cartel of career, like tree and me change gear. Better each lyric when me remember people used to say, you're nah boss, you're a gimmick. Them have to watch me now on them TV. Or pay if you see me, my presence no free. No girls used to call at the iron balloon. Now me walking on them like floor in a room. And the first police will lock me up for disrespect, me was a joy. Ask me when me do me say artists, say me unemployed. Lock me up, me nah have no lawyer, so I jail me sleeping. And now me passing me the beamer. What the man, what the boy? No matter who you is, where you from, who you are. Get to youth, we need money, enough house and enough yard. From your black, you a nigga, every nigga is a star. Who not like that? Drop us, not like that.
Yeah man, from a link Portland thing, you see me? Make me know Killan. You don't know from this man thing, take off straight, we not go wrong. Yeah man, so that's how we is a youth, we no bad mind, no man. You see me? Cause the goal out there for every man be. No matter what you do, artist, sportsman, you have to just put your head focus like a camera.
You hear that, massacre? The goal out there for every man. You see me? No matter what you do. So nobody feel like say you can come free like a Vybz Kartel of your goal. You hear that? And on a lollipop thing. And for someone who look at lollipop bloggers, I hope you learn a thing or two. A way back me just take on 2008. You see what I tell you about 11 years ago. And here how the boss are met. Eh? Islamic, hieroglyphic and Slavonic. Every atom get atomic, every follicle bionic. Spinning cyclonic, he is brilliant telephonic. So sweet and symphonic when they grab a block of blonic. Big and iconic, damp like a macaroni. Diabolic, apostolic, alcoholic, with your phonic. Babylonic, carbonic, real, super tectonic. Bluebonic, hydraulic, sting like it pythonic. Jewish and Catholic, semi-habit, moronic. More chronic, galleonic, make me rock the microphonic. Keep it real, me not act it like a marriage of platonic. We smoke it till you look down at the sky. I like the greeting, someone said hi. We smoke a road through high school day. Me IQ race when the eye get raised. So we smoke it till you look down at the sky. I like the greeting, someone said hi. Cartel a road since high school day. Me IQ race when the eye raised. Like turtle, I'm committed to weed. Me no shitted, blood written, that's written. It's not counterfeited. The church still gritted. Why you so half-witted? Police grabbed me splitted, but I was acquitted. Radio transmitted or FedEx limited. Anywhere that me seated, my trees are refitted. The light when me light are emitted. It splitted, but matches got litted. Still benefited, blacked and whited. Trees get lighted, fire ignited. Me brains excited, I'm so delighted. Fully red-sided, trees and Rizzler and fire united. We smoke it till you look down at the sky. Yo, me rest my case, you know. Me don't ever think me have to go no further, you know. Yo, no put in some work, you hear that? And stop talk like you no think say a Vybz Kartel whole on success in a dancehall. A work you have to put in, you hear that? And that's why teacher they on top right about now. What? You know the general, the 10-star one in a full effect. Yo, hey, watch. Hey.
Nevertheless, it's growing legalization of pot push, and now there's a book about pot for kids called "It's Just a Plant."
Don't mind him; he's got ADD.
Watch.